Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day, Friday 17 May 2024. Today I will trade long Aussie, Euro, New Zealand and short US Yen and Swiss. And at the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. Dollar index bouncing off the two moving averages, my medium and long term support levels. Will it bounce for another new bull trend? I don't know. The short-term trend has turned bearish. My intraday trend is bearish. It's only my medium and long term that's still potentially bullish. So for now, most likely going to retrace to this level or then to that previous level there. That was quite a big one. So it's going to retrace there most likely. And then the coup de grace will come. If it then breaks and it makes a new low here, then we can clearly say, all right, I think we are done with a bull trend on the long term, medium term. Well, then obviously the short and the intraday will still be bearish. So let's see. For now, we are in between two worlds. But for 4-hour trading, I'll still be bearish on the dollar. Then obviously gold, a little bit of a sell-off there. Now bouncing off nicely, but on a weak dollar, definitely I want to be long gold, but not from those levels. I would like to see retracements, but the problem comes in at this stage. There's no structure at 50 to 61%. My mentoring program, we've got a beautiful long year. We've hit the targets, and some of them even got some more open for some higher targets. But at present, I don't see any gold trades coming up for today. Bitcoin, I've discussed it yesterday morning a lot with other cryptocurrencies, so I would recommend that you watch yesterday morning's video if you want to know what I've said about a lot of them. There's a lot of trend lines that needs to be taken out on Ethereum. Solana failed to close there last night, but it's still pushing through those levels. So please, yesterday morning I showed all the different cryptos I'm watching at this stage and the entries. The one I want to focus on this morning is Bitcoin. We got shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline taken out. Now the strong break. We can expect a little bit of a retracement, maybe back to $64,000. Then the bulls need to prove themselves, and then a strong reversal there would be absolutely amazing for me to buy into Bitcoin yet again. What I love is my short-term indicator turning just bullish now. So you can see it seems like on the daily charts that the bearish trend is done. We got a pattern reversal. We got a confirmation of the pattern reversal. Let's see if I don't trade the patterns. I want to see, does this pattern turn into structure? And for that, I'm going to need sort of a retracement and a retest here. So I would love this to come back down to 64,000. It's just $1,500 down. That's a quick spike down. I would love to see that and then the reversal. Nothing wrong starting to add into your position because this is turned, but this will only by Monday shows us, okay, it's open during the weekend, but most likely Saturday or Sunday only it will confirm to be blue. You see on the close candle is still red. If this is a long black, this will still stay red. But I think we will have clear direction on Monday. Let's see what happens during the weekend. Usually the Sunday night, the weekly close is very important. Let me see how the weekly close is going to look. It's going to look amazing. Look at that. We've got the long lower shadow and then a little bit of a sell-off. And now a strong bull candle. If we can close by Sunday night at this $65,000, $66,000 levels, I think we're in for a go. I will then definitely add to my positions. But at this stage, I'm waiting for a little bit of confirmation. If it doesn't get it, the weeklies will give it to me. So most likely Monday morning, unless we see a big sell-off during the weekend, Monday morning I'll most likely buy some more Bitcoins. In the Euro US, Euro green zone, dollar red zone, 100% fine, same as yesterday. After we saw beautiful targets being hit, we need a retracement back to the 50% level. Guys, don't try to recreate what you felt over the last 2 weeks when we saw all these beautiful profits. Wait patiently for new entries. That is a sign of a good trader that can walk away. As important it is to walk away from a losing trade, it's important to walk away from a winning trade or a winning spree like we had recently. So I need a retracement. I'm calmly waiting for that. Same with the Aussie. If I look at the Aussie US, Aussie green zone, dollar red zone. So waiting for the retracement. Very nice strong level here. So I'm waiting for that to reverse. But before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based, 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then next is the Dow Jones. We saw some beautiful runs up the page here. We now need a retest of this area here. Between 50 and 61%. I would like to see a retest there. On a weak dollar, that stock market bullish with a bullish trend. I want to be long, but not from those levels. I need a retracement getting back here to this 39,700 levels. Once I get a strong counter reversal, once the bulls prove themselves, I will re-enter along there. S&P 500, we also hit all the targets. If you want to know, watch the previous videos from the previous few days. And now, retracement needed to come and retest at 61% FIB level. So it's a big thing we ask on a weak dollar like this, but it could dribble down maybe only Monday. But when it gets here, the bulls need to prove themselves that they are defending that support level with a strong counter reversal, and then I will go in some longs. Then the pound US. Pound neutral. I'm not after the pound, but I'm after the dollar short. By going long on the pound US, it gives me a dollar short. Now, at the structure here between 50 and 61% level, that's the area I'm watching. You can see a little bit of resistance coming in there before the break. So I'm keen on taking longs here, but not at those levels. I need them down here. If it doesn't come down here, I just step aside and not take any trades. New Zealand, US, New Zealand, all the sparkle. Dollar, second worst of them all. So now still need a retracement. We had this flag pattern, a strong aggressive run of the page. Now a dribble down is needed back down to this area. Maybe Monday we can spot a consolidation there, but that'll be done on Monday morning. For now, all I want is a retracement before I can do something. If this consolidates further, maybe later today, you see a breakout, would not be a complete bad trade, but I will leave that only for the afternoon session. Then New Zealand CAD, New Zealand, all the sparkle, CAD neutral zone, so not after the CAD, but I'm after the long on the New Zealand, and this would help me into that. But I'm going to need a retracement. I'm not going to chase it up there right at that resistance levels. And the Euro New Zealand, they're both the same color, but Euro is tanking under the New Zealand. Just shows you actually the strength of the New Zealand dollar at present. But with the Euro still below the New Zealand, what is a bit, well, what I don't like a lot is that the Euro and the New Zealand is the same color. But still fine. They are, as long as they're just not right next to each other, I'm fine. But I'm going to need a retracement. If I get a retracement, I don't want a short here right at the support level. That's just silly. I would like to see retracement maybe into next week, and then I'll consider some shorts. Aussie CAD, Aussie, green zone, CAD neutral. I'm after the Aussie long. I'm not worried about the CAD, but this is a way of getting an Aussie long. So a retest at the 50 to 61% level, maybe a retest of this previous flag pattern. All of them can prove that market is forming structure here and that we get the bulls to prove themselves. On reversals here, I'll look for some long setups. Aussie Swiss, run up the page, Aussie, green zone, Swiss red zone, so good for longs. I would like to see a retest now. It has made a new high, but not convincing yet. So I would not use that as a structure. I don't think it's run hard enough. The break is not convincing enough. So usually then the market come and retest the next level, which is the support level here, which is confirmed. Right. So let's see if it gets back there down today or Monday. I'll take some longs on candle reversals. And the Euro CAD. Euro CAD almost testing the level. You can see this break quite strong. Resistance, and it could test yes between the 50 and the 61%. So this is definitely some market structure which I am interested in. So when it tests that and get a strong reversal, I'll then look for some longs. Then my favorite trade idea for today is the New Zealand Swiss. New Zealand, all the sparkle, green Swiss red zone, strong run. You can see after the consolidation, big consolidation here, you usually get these explosive runs, and this is what we see. So we saw the sidewaysness, and now we got this explosive break and another break, very strong break. So now I would like to join this party, and I would like to see a retracement back to that prior high there at the 50% level. If I get some counter reversals there, I'm definitely going to enter some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.